Good day, everybody. Maisha here. I am coming to you with another video. I want to show you what I got in my Deluxe Czech bundle for January. There's over 175 pieces in this bundle, so I thought I would share. Now, these are Czech glass beads. I do not know all the names of them, so please don't hold it against me. But I just wanted to share what I got in this. It was really good. The person who I first heard who had purchased this bundle and used it in one of her videos is Joey from JoeesJewelry, and she inspired me to want to get them, so I thought I would give it a try, and I think they're absolutely gorgeous. These are some round Czech beads, and they have like this, I don't know what this finish is called on it, but it's shiny on one side and it's kind of like this pinkish mauvish color. They're absolutely gorgeous. Oh, and those are flying everywhere. There is a couple of these pendants, and they are top drilled pendants, and they have kind of like a trapezoid shape to them. They're absolutely beautiful. I don't know that you can tell that they have a design in the inside of the glass. Maybe you can't see it with it next to my skin. My skin might be making it a little dark on the other side, but they're lovely. They're lovely beads. I can really see doing some really quick, cute earrings with those, or just hanging them as pendants on a necklace. Here's some really cute Czech beads. They're red, and then they have like a silver stripes on them. Again, there was 175 pieces in this bundle, and that's just a lot of possibilities for you. These are so cute. They look like little peanuts. They kind of have like a brownish green tint to them. Very pretty, very neutral. They have a nice little shape that's sort of like a puffy X or a puffy T in the inside of them. We got two of these lovely hearts. I mean, everything I see, I kind of want to make into earrings because I just love earrings so much. But, you know, these can also be added to like a bracelet in a couple places. Maybe say you decided to make a 4-strand bracelet and you want to have a couple focal pieces in there. That would be cute. Here's another one. These are some big chunky beads. They have a, oh my God, I don't know what this is. They're definitely faceted. They're a rondelle shape. The size, I'm not quite sure, but it could be like a, I don't know, what is that, about a 6 by 9, something like that. Uh-oh, I have to, can you see that? There, it's really pretty. It's different. It's like a wash that looks kind of mauvish, purplish, and black. Very pretty. Hard to tell with some of these colors because I just don't know all of the different colors. There's so many. And I guess it's something that I have to get better with and practice. Okay, here's another pair. The light on the camera doesn't really show you that these are not dark. These are actually pretty light colored, and they have this light blue pastel with a green, like a brownish green color. Very pretty rondelles. They go very nicely with this color, and then, you know, adding a little accent on there. It's really pretty. I'll put these back in here. And it looks like we have some shells. Still, they're very consistent with this color palette. Everything matches so nicely. And the metal color you see here is kind of like a rose. It's a gold, but it's kind of rosy color. Very nice. I'm gonna put everything in here. It's gonna fill up all this, and they're gonna share some space in here. Okay, so looks like we have some flower beads, which of course are gonna be very nice drops with a goldish little accents on there. Very pretty. Oh my God, I don't even know how they can do this with these beads. Look at that. I don't know if you can tell that it's a square bead with the square that is off center, not off center, but it's kind of like diagonal. And then on the other side of the bead, it goes in the opposite direction. Very cute. Leaves, 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 leaves. I mean, come on. What can you do in jewelry without leaves, right? Leaves come in handy, and they're so pretty. They're great accents. They're great drops. They're great dangles. They're great to add with your flowers. Very cute. And then we've added a much brighter color to the palette, which we have purple, and then we have like this bluish color. What is that? Indigo color. Still with the gold, goldish. I don't know what kind of gold this is. It's gold, but it has like a pink tone to it, so it's kind of like rose gold, but I don't know if that's truly what it is. And then we have some more flowers. Uh-oh, look at that. It's stuck to my hands. More flower beads. Yes, very nice. Metallic blue color. They're not gray like it looks in the camera. They're actually blue. Use your imagine to figure out what you could potentially do with these. Look at that. They're top drilled. And I mean, I guess it's kind of a rectangle. So either side could be a top, right? Depending on the directions of the lines, right? But very cute. These tiny, look like they're like 4mm beads. They are kind of grayish green with the AB finish, sparkly, very nice. Another heart. I've got another heart. So happy to have another heart. I guess it's that time of year where we're going to get a lot of hearts because of February, right? Although this was a January. This was a January check bundle, but I guess in preparation for Valentine's Day. Here we are. We have that. This looks like a copper metallic on it, but a pretty turquoise, tealish color heart. Very cute. So you can see how these go together. So a tiny, a necklace that has these faceted beads as spacers in it, and then maybe finding a matching color that would go very nicely with the copper. Look at that. What are these called? Are these, I don't think these are called pinch beads. What are these? What is this shade called? Does anybody know? Well, it's a bicone for sure. It's definitely a bicone. Very pretty. And it has like a purplish, it's got purplish blue AB on it. And the actual stone color is sort of like a amber or topaz. Very pretty. Let's see. Let me see which one this will go with. This one, it can go very nicely with this color palette. Very nicely with this color. It could go with actually any one of these. Maybe not so much with the red, but it can probably be pulled in some kind of way. Let's put it over here with this. See how nicely those go together. And then these look like, oh man, they look like nuts, some kind of nuts, something crunchy that you can actually eat. And this white part, it feels like there's little slices that they've taken off the bead to make them flat. Very, very cute. OMG. Looks like the hat off of one of the Mario Brothers. Looks like, you know, the mushroom hat off one of the Mario Brothers. Very cute. Oh, let's put that there. More leaves. Look at all of this. I mean, my gosh. And guess what? The bundle, I think, was less than $30. Look at this. These are like white with the gold accents on. Very puffy, thick flowers. Cute. Super cute. And it looks like these are little turtles, really. That's what that looks like. These look like they're little brown turtles, kind of like a peanut butter color with gold accent on them. Go very nicely with this neutral. And these are the ones that I think everybody will love. They're little bells. They're little blue bells. I mean, if you want to go to Didi's Beads and find some really cute bells, take a look in my description box for the link for Didi's beads. You can order them. I'm not paid by Didi at all to do this video. I just love what she, or it's really, her name's not Didi, her name is Stella, but I just love what she puts in these boxes. Look at that bicone. Oh, Lord. That's so pretty. Just adorable. They give you 5 of these. You know, it takes some creativity to design with shapes that are not simple shapes. And so I look forward to trying to figure out what to do with those. Now it's starting to look a little cluttered in my dish, but I like it. I like all the colors and how they play together. Look at these. Okay, so these would be very nice in a bracelet or earrings, even an accent on a necklace. But when I look at them, the first thing I think of is either earrings or a couple focal places in maybe a 3-strand or more bracelet. Very pretty. I haven't ventured off and done many other things other than, you know, the jewelry that you wear, but I know lots of folks are making like keychains and purse chains and phone chains and bookmarks, and I haven't ventured off too much yet. I've only made one bookmark, but I look forward to making more and seeing how I can use these beautiful type beads in those projects. And then here are 2 shells, which are absolutely beautiful. Of course, when I see things that come in pairs of 2, I always think of earrings. But there's so much more that we could potentially do if we just stretch our minds and figure out. Look at that. And this is the last one in this particular bundle. I'm enjoying it immensely, and I can't wait to start working with them. These are so cute. They look like little rice beads, and they are extremely shiny, and I love shiny. Golly, I love shiny. How many are like me and are completely obsessed with beads? I'm going to put this on the side because I need to put those back in the bag. I'll start putting everything away once I finish this video. But how many other people are like me and you get excited when you see all of these beautiful beads and you just want more and more and more? I need to really stay out of the websites of these folks because I just keep adding to the cart and buying more and more and more. But yeah, also check the description box for the link to Didi's beads. Also in the description box, you'll see some of the things that I use to create jewelry. Make sure to like and subscribe to the video and turn on that notification bell so that you can see what I'm going to bring in the near future. Thank you so much and have a wonderful day.